This is the base of the projector, and this is the piece that's going to hold the slide. I plan to place the slide over here on the projector. So in order to hold the slide, I have made these two pieces, and these two pieces are going to be fixed here. They act like slots, so I can insert slide holder through the slot and make it stay in its place. My first decision was to put a triangle piece here, but then I decided that I was going to make this piece take the support of this, since this part is firmly stuck to the base, and I'm going to make this piece take support of this, since this is firmly stuck to the base. But there was a slight problem, and that was that this is not exactly vertical. This is at a slight angle, and if this needs to be vertical, then you will see that a slight gap is formed at the bottom. And over here, if this is vertical, then a slight gap is formed at the top. So in order to fill in those gaps, I made these two pieces. This piece will be stuck here. You can see it's thicker at the bottom than on the top. So this will fill the gap at the bottom, and this piece thicker at the top than at the bottom, and this will fill the gap on the top. Once I stick these, I am going to stick these against them so that these pieces will be sitting in a vertical position with respect to the base of this projector. Once I stick these, this slide holder can be inserted in these slots and will be held firmly by these slots. Here you can see that this piece is going to hold the lens, and I need to be able to mount this on the projector. Now, I showed initially that I made this to hold the lens so I can pull the lens forward and backwards and adjust the focus. And I was initially thinking of attaching this on top of this, but what I realized was that the distance is too far. What if in order to focus the image on the screen, I had to put the lens here? I would not be able to do that. So what I did was I made this rectangular piece of, I believe, 32 layers of paper, and I'm going to make it such that this can slide on top of this. So now if this, I'm going to attach this to this tip here and make it such that it can slide forward and backwards over this. So in case and I'm going to attach the lens to this like this, so that I can pull this forward and back, and the lens moves forward and back with it. And in case I need to go beyond this, once I reach here, I can pull the bottom piece out like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these two together like this, and so that this is stuck firmly on top and it doesn't bend. I made these two triangle pieces. Each is 64 layers of paper, and I'm going to stick them here like this, and you can see this is a right angle here. So when I stick them, they will support this lens holder and keep it perpendicular to the base. I will stick these and get back to you.